So the Hampton Chocolate Factory, simply put, is a decadent dessert destination. What is a decadent dessert destination? It's an all-in-one destination for the desserts you dream about. Ice cream, frozen s'mores, shakes, Liège Belgian waffles. Oh, and let me not forget, chocolate, all in one central location.
We picked chocolate because it's the sweetest business of all. We saw that it was fun, there was a lot of opportunity, and it was overall a happy business. Customers are happy, employees are happy, everyone's happy.
We've become known as one of the central dessert spots in Tampa. And we really didn't know what Sparkman Wharf was. When we started here 10 months ago, coming up on 11, Sparkman Wharf and Tampa in itself was new to us. Thanks to the T3 initiative, Sparkman Wharf is becoming a tourism destination. And what pairs better than a decadent dessert destination with a tourist destination? Absolutely nothing.
Every day we see hundreds of tourists coming through our store, and that really helps grow our brand nationwide because we have the store here in Tampa, but we're getting people from LA, from Wyoming, from anywhere in the country, even anywhere in the world, coming into the store and learning about the Hampton Chocolate Factory.
As we enter the holiday season, we are your all-in-one gifting solution. So if you need stocking stuffers, homemade marshmallows, s'mores gifts, chocolate luxury gift boxes, gift baskets, we have it all. Come get your Christmas gifts at the Hampton Chocolate Factory this year before we sell out, because it's already starting.